Hi, this is X-Knight here, and today I'm going to show you how to open up a external hard drive clamshell case. The one I'm working with is a Toshiba external hard drive, but I'm sure that you will find that this solution is pretty much universal. The first thing you'll need is a flathead screwdriver. The smaller, the better. This one, the lens can barely pick up on the end of the screwdriver, so we know it will be perfect. And on all these drives, you'll see that we have the cover right here, and that there is just a bit of a seam right there, and what we want to do is kind of dig our screwdriver into that seam. Right there should do, and just kind of ride it down, and then try to kind of lift it up until we can get just a little bit of the hard drive up, or the case up. And then what we'll do is just snap it off, and now we have access to the hard drive. Alright, and then what we'll want to do is just kind of slide that out. And the first thing you might notice is this piece right here, and what that actually does is converts your SATA port over to the port which you see on the outside of the case that you plug into the USB. So we just go ahead and ease that on off there, and you'll see that we actually have a SATA hard drive underneath. Alright, and if you change your mind, you want to get it back together, or just, put another drive in there so you still have an external after you make this into your internal, you go ahead and slide that on in. Put this back into the case, and slap the cover back on. Easy as that. Alright, there you have it. Good day to you.